Hey guys, welcome to Trader Tube channel. Today I'm going to show you a little trick how you can check what is the big company buying Berkshire Hathaway Warren Buffett company. So the first thing you have to do is go to the Microsoft Window Edge browser. Then once you go there and you can click on the MSN Money. After that, so you're gonna go, for example, from the news, Warren Buffett buying big on Apple share. So you're gonna go type in AAPL. There's Apple right here. Once it show up, is Apple. Today is 173.81. It's down from few days ago. So what you're gonna do is check on investor here. So investor, that's gonna give you all the investor here who's buying the most: Vanguard, BlackRock, Berkshire Hathaway. So you can check any company who's buying what or who's buying selling what. So today I'm gonna use example as a Berkshire Hathaway. So here it is, Berkshire Hathaway's top buys is Apple here, Bank of America, American Express, Coca-Cola, uh, Kraft Heinz, Moody's, and Verizon, and U.S. Bank, Debita, and Bank of New York Mellon. So this is the way you find out what they're buying. Also, you can check their top buys here. Top buys for this period is they're buying Chevron. Chevron is like they're plus 24%. 20.13%, and top sell, you can see check their top sell also. Every charter communication, Bristol Myers Squibb, and so on. So this is a top sale. And new buys, you can check their new buys also, what he's buying big on Royalty Pharma and Floor and Decor Holdings. And also you can check exit company. His exit of Marek Company and Liberty Global and Organian Company. So this is just small trick, but sometimes help what the big company buying, so you can make some money that way. Thank you for watching. Always, subscribe, like, and share.